Okay, today's episode of Camp Damp, it's Air Conditioner 101. Come over here. It's switched on. Switched on, baby. Comes up to my little submersible pump. 1/4-inch tubing. The other side, this will later be fed through an 8-inch flexible hose, like a dryer vent style hose, and onto the oscillating fan. Now, as you see, we'll switch it on and watch the bitch go. You guessed it. This friggin' thing is freezing. And of course I could make it get a lot colder by adding salt to this, but that would mean the ice would diminish quicker, but it would work. So, as you see, it also doubles as a cooler for beer. Beat an air conditioner like that, can you? Fucking A. Cost all of about $14 for the copper tubing, $13 for the cooler, so $27, and the switch came in a 5-pack with something else.